What's good, YouTube? I'm back with another video. Pack just came in from King Clipper Mods, so we're gonna see what he sent. I honestly don't even really know what this is. So we got the King Clipper Mod case, or the new packaging. I ain't seen this packaging yet. Okay. First thing we got is a mod. This is a JRL to fast feed mod. Next thing we got, he told me about it, but I didn't think I was gonna get it right away. He has his own guard now. So this is the King Clipper Mod guard. This is the Zero guard. This is a magnetic guard. This is also a universal guard. This fits on every clipper. So you can use it on your Andis Masters, you can use it on your fast feeds, but you can still use it on your Wall Seniors and Babyliss and Stylecraft and all that. So this is real interesting because we've never had a guard that fits everything. You know what I mean? I really like the purple guards. They're magnetic and they fit on the fast feeds. But if I can use this, if he gets a whole set going, we only need one pair of guards, and that'll make it a lot more convenient for barbers who use Masters and Babyliss or fast feeds and Wall or whatever the case may be. So I'm going to give this a run today and see how I like it. I'm gonna put it in rotation with my purple guards and see how it compares. I will catch y'all later. That's the old mod. On my mama, Zay. Zay, on my mama.
I have to say this is the old mod on my mama.
Why you all in my business like you know me, kid? On my mama. Hey, that mod dirty, boy. I just messed up. Make sure y'all put the flat screws in first. New metal base. That's how it's supposed to look. You feel me? Remember, don't tighten it on your stomach. Right, Jose? Don't tighten it on your stomach. Sheesh! Don't get no better than that, boy. You see, I need a haircut. Don't say nothing. On my mama. Jose, on my mama.
No one wants to be on your mom.
What?
The way you say it, on my mom.
Shut up. Alright. Big guard. Sheesh. That fits perfect. Let me try this on the G's. Oh, so there's a little piece in there that comes off. Put it on, I guess, depending on what clipper you got. So we got the caliber. You take this little piece off, you flip it around. And it fits. That's lit.
Growing up, and now I was like, I'm in this, I can afford it. Why not? You know, this is what I do for fun. I don't go out to the club. So
50 cal, you know what I mean?
Do something that I think is cool. So
that's tight.
That's
That's crazy, boy. Shout out King Clipper Mods for that. My boy Nello. Cause like, you know my boy Nello? Nah, you too young. You don't know. On my mama. Act like you know, Jose. Cause I don't got time for this.
Pros. Awesome. Sunset. Sunset. Sunset walk. Sunset walk.
I'm tryna break bread with that I ate free lunch with my day ones, my only dogs. Nah, we don't switch, and when we shoot for them stars, boy, we don't miss. Pick and roll as soon as I get freed up. Swish. Whoa. In other words, we tryna make it. They built a ceiling for us, and I tryna break it with a crown for my city. Won't let anybody take it in my own lane, cause I feel like everybody basic. They love to see you pull up like you Jordan. Them With money always flexing like they be scoring. Boys on the corner watching. When you start to drive foreign, they gon' pull up and give you what Ali gave George Foreman. But lately I've been stuck in my ways. Somebody asked, do they got a glove for catching the fade? How come they show you more love when you dead in the grave? I'm in my 20s but feel like I'm in my veteran stage. I feel like Nas, I'm nasty with it, my seat back. Rappers try press me, tell them they got relax. Tough guys, Twitter thugs, we don't really tweet back. We don't want your 2 cents, you might wanna keep that. In the city with my down chick riding shotty, his eyes on me. They thought I was the Illuminati. We fly low key, my girl love to call me Poppy Boy. Say they love.
After trying this guard for a couple of days, this is a great guard. I mean, it's about the same quality as the regular Andis guards. It's the same quality as a lot of these other guards. It is a magnetic guard. Like I said earlier, you take this bottom piece off, it comes off. Flip it around. And now it fits on your caliber. It'll fit on wall clippers. It'll fit on Babyliss, whatever. Take this back out. Flip it around. This is a fast feed blade on my JRL. So to fit on fast feed blades as well as Andis Masters, as you can see, it's not moving at all. You have no space in between. It fits on like it should. Me personally, I like it. I think if there's a full set of these, I think a lot of people would like these guards a lot. This is a zero guard. I replaced my purple zero guard with this guard and it fits right in perfectly. To be honest, there's really no difference except this is a universal guard. Therefore, let's say you use a master and you use a wall or whatever, you don't have to use 2 different sets of guards. You can use 1 set of guards that will work for all your clippers. I really do like this guard. It's magnetic. It also clips on. It's a perfect fit. Fits on all my clippers. I also just updated this bracket on here with the one that was sent to me by King Clipper Mods, of course. And this metal base is very smooth. I haven't had any issues with it getting hot. I haven't had any, overheating issues, anything like that. It is just an updated version of what he already was doing. I mean, if you had the last one, it worked. This one is a little bit better. I didn't think you could make this mod better, but he definitely did with this metal base. It is a lot more sturdy and things like that. I'll put the link to his website in the description. Make sure y'all go over there and check him out. Like, subscribe. I'll catch y'all in the next video. I appreciate y'all watching, and more content on the way. Peace.